welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing versus the regular Ipsy Glam Bag. I think it was a really good month for both the regular bag and the Plus. I absolutely love Ipsy. I loved them when they were just the $10 bag, and I love them even more now because their Glam Bag Plus has been killing it. Now, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size beauty products, skincare, makeup, variety of products. And then, of course, you have your regular Ipsy Glam Bag, which you get 5 travel size or sample size or even sometimes full-size products. Really love that for both. You can choose some add-ons, and you can add up to 3 extra products into your box each month at either $3 a piece or $12 for full size. And I do that in each subscription because you can have one account and have both, the bag and the box together. But I actually have 2 separate accounts because I had gotten this box when they first released it, and I was able to subscribe. So I had upgraded my original account, and then I always had this secondary account, which I'm fine with, so I'm not going to change that. But if you are interested in signing up, I'll have the link down below. You are able to get the regular bag and the Glam Bag Plus on one account. I love that they go by your profile most of the time. And I think it's really, really important for you to do your reviews for your products. Not only do you get points that you can redeem, I think they really go by your reviews. So I highly recommend, if you don't review your products, start doing so. It really makes a difference. So I will show you what I received in my regular Glam Bag first, and then we'll get into the Plus. My bag is pretty stuffed, as you can tell. I did purchase 2 additional add-ons, which I'll show you first. So the first add-on I purchased was this $1 Billion Brushes eyebrow brush. I felt like I needed another one of these because I only have the Anastasia one. I feel like that these are great tools to have. You can use the brush side for anything, not just your brows, but you could use it as liner. But I like these to clean up my brows and, of course, to use my brow pomade. But I actually use an angled brush every single day just to clean up my tail and to sharpen it with, after I pencil. I love having the dual-ended ones with the spoolie on one end, and then you have a really nice, densely packed brush. So I'm really surprised in the quality. I feel like it's pretty good. The next add-on I purchased was from Pacifica, and again, this was $3. This is the Bronze Rose and Coconut Infused Blush and Bronzer. It's a little palette. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free, and I actually heard that this is exclusive to Ipsy, or it was made just for Ipsy. So the reason why I wasn't going to get this is because I think it's going to be too light. The bronzer is going to be too light. So before I added it to my cart and checked out, I kept saying, I don't know, the bronzer looks a little light. But I ended up getting it anyway. So this is the packaging. It's very pretty. I absolutely love it. You have the blush on this side, and then this is the bronzer. I don't know how this is going to work for me, to be honest. And I'm not going to flip it all the way around so you get blinded. It has a nice, really nice size mirror. Let me swatch the blush first. Okay, so to me, I wouldn't wear this as a blush because it's just so shimmery. It looks more like a highlight. I really like to use a matte blush, but I will definitely use this as more so like a highlight. But you could also use this on your lids. If you're going for a quick eye look, you can use this with the blush, and I think that would be really pretty. All right, let's swatch the bronzer and see. So that is the shade, and I think it definitely is going to be too light. Yeah, that's it right there. You could barely see it on my skin. It's very light for me. If I just blend it like that, it's gone. So it blends completely into my... So I guess I was right. It was definitely too light for me, but I will find a use for this for sure. So now that I showed you my 2 add-ons, let's get into the actual Ipsy bag for July. This is the Ipsy bag for July, and I think it's really pretty. It's perfect for summer. I love how it looks very... like rainforesty, very tropical. I love the light pink. And then the inside is more coral. They do include a card when you get your bag. And the theme of the month is Ipsy Dive In. And then on the other side, it says, see you next month. But before you go, on August 2nd, you can add additional products to your August Glam Bag. starting at just $3. But hurry, supplies are limited and only available for 24 hours until they sell out. And then on the inside, I'm not going to show you quite yet, but on the inside, it has all of your products and a little description. So let me just pull something out first. Oh, let's pull this thing. This is the La Beauty Fatale Cosmetics Brow Fix Tint and Shaper in dark brunette. It says this brand takes inspo from the inner strength and beauty of every woman. Shape, fill, and define your brows with their tinted gel formula. The brush tip is made with microfibers that build up your brows, making them look fuller. Plus, the water-resistant formula won't budge. I don't usually use a brow gel on its own because my brows are still growing out. They're still pretty sparse. I mean, not as bad as they were, but they're still pretty sparse. So I use it more like as a setter, or if it's on a day I'm not going to work or anything, I'm just running to the store, I will just use the brow gel. That is like the strangest eyebrow gel brush I've ever seen. So I'm swatching it really quickly, and the shade should definitely work for me. I did put on my profile that I love eyebrow products and would want them all the time, or at least most of the time. So this is the first time I'm getting a brow gel from Ipsy ever. Okay, let's pull out the next little thing. Let's see, what's this? All right, so the next product, it's kind of like a 2-in-1. This is interesting. I really don't like when you can't reseal it though. This is the BRTC Vitalizer Sleeping Mask and Pore Tightening Sleeping Mask Set. So I love that we get two, but you can't reseal these. And I think that's a lot of product to use for one night. I mean, sleeping masks, you don't need a lot. It says customized skincare products for all different skin types is BRTC's mission. And this set of masks does the whole work while you dream. Reach for the Vitalizer mask to moisturize, refresh, and boost radiance, or the Pore Tightening mask to refine pores, brighten, and even out skin texture. I have gotten this mascara so many times from so many different subscriptions, but it is a very good mascara. It's the Benefit Roller Lash Curling Mascara. It says Benefit Cosmetics creates so many beloved balm products like this curling mascara. The unique hook and roll brush grabs, separates, lifts, and curls, while the instant curve setting formula conditions your lashes and stays put for 12 hours. Can't wait to make a splash? Go ahead, it's also water resistant. So this is the little mascara. I tried this a million times. It's pretty good. It has like a thin silicone brush. I actually really love this brand. It's from Red Earth. It's the Brighten Concentrate Oil with Kakadu Plum. Very interesting. So it's a face oil. It says Kakadu Plum, one of the world's richest natural sources of vitamin C. So Red Earth is actually, I love this brand. I discovered it with Birchbox. My favorite from them is their water cream moisturizer. It's amazing. And it's really, I think it's about like $22. That's actually on my wish list with Birchbox. This is the little bottle. So I think you have a good amount here because you do not need a lot when you use an oil. It is only 5 milliliters, but for me, this will last quite a while. It says Kakadu Plum and Pro Vitamin A, which is beta carotene. This multitasking elixir will leave your skin refreshed and rejuvenated from the outside in, from skin to the soul. And then the last but not least is something I am super excited about. This is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. So this is new, I believe, or newer. The British beauty brand Ciate is known for creative, unexpected products that encourage you to flaunt your unique beauty. To hydrate, refresh, and prep your skin for makeup, smooth on this watermelon extract infused primer. It'll boost your glow and help your makeup last longer. Dot pea-sized amounts of this primer onto your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. The watermelon infused black beads will dissolve into your skin, then blend it evenly all over. It does not have a safety seal, so I mean, as upset as I am about that, I really want to like try it, so let's see. So this is what it looks like, and I wanted to get enough of those little black beads in there, and oh my god, it smells so good. Like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. I love it. Let's see how it blends in. So you get these, you see like how that's starting to break up? So then it breaks up into the skin. That little bit I just put on was way too much, to be honest with you. I should have put on less, so you don't need a lot. It definitely made my skin look dewier. It has a little bit of tack to it, but it's good because if it's a primer, you want your foundation to stick to it. So that's everything in my little Ipsy Glam Bag, other than the blush and bronzer duo and the angled brush that I purchased as add-ons. In the actual July bag, I received the watermelon primer from Ciate. I got this face oil from Red Earth. I got this little duo of this sleeping masks. I received the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, and then I got this little brow gel here. So not bad for 10 bucks. What do you guys think? What did you get in your Ipsy bag? Now that the $10 bag is all said and done, let's get into my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. We just went through the $10 Ipsy bag. Now let's go through the $25 a month Glam Bag Plus, which is also 5 products, but they're all full size. When you open up the box, this is how it comes. They changed the shade of the foam for July. It's usually like black or gray, I don't remember, but they made it yellow. And of course, you still get a little pamphlet that has the same theme, which is Ipsy Dive In, but this pamphlet is different because it's much bigger. It pulls out like this, and it has all your products inside with the prices. And I'll tell you that this box was valued at $169, more than Boxycharm. I mean, they kill it with the value. They're supposed to go by your profile for shades and all that, but I don't know what ended up happening with this one product for me, but I ended up getting a palette that was too light for me. But thankfully, my work friend, she also gets this, and she ended up getting the palette in the bronze shade. So we traded. This is the product I'm talking about. We ended up getting a Huda Beauty palette, highlighting palette in this box, which is valued at $45. So the one I was supposed to get was this one, this pink sand, but I'm tan, so I don't really wear pinks like this. Like the way they say that you should use this just really wouldn't have worked for my skin tone, and on my profile I do put tan. So she ended up getting the darker one. So we found that to be pretty funny that I put tan but got the light one, and she puts medium and she got the darker one. This is the bronze sands. When you open it up, you actually don't get a mirror. It does give you like little steps: prep, set, sculpt, and flush. This is the palette. I did swatch it already. Wanted to see how the shades were gonna look on my skin, and it's perfect. I absolutely love it. That is the Barbados, the one they say to apply as a base to smooth your skin. This Barbados is the cream color in this palette. The rest are powders, but this is a cream. This is very, very pretty. Wow. Oh, I love that shade. See, I like more of the goldy, champagne-y highlights and things like that. That's why this palette works great for me. This is Aruba. Ooh, I love that. That's a nice shimmery bronze. And then that's beautiful. So then we have Bora Bora right here, which is like a blush. I'll show you also the one add-on I purchased. So to go with the palette, I figured let me purchase this Luxie small contour brush. So this was only $3 too. This is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara in Bryn. It's valued at $24, and this is the, what do they call it? Tubing mascara, I guess. I hear that term a lot, and I'm pretty sure that's what this is from what I've been told. It has like building fibers in it. It says a single swipe of this volumizing lengthening mascara will even help make sparse lashes look like extensions. It comes with an innovative comb-shaped wand that adds definition, separates lashes, and helps prevent clumping, while the formula is infused with orchid stem cell complex to stimulate lash growth and soft fibers for dramatic length and lift. This is a very, very heavy, very good quality feeling mascara. I mean, it's really big too. I mean, look at the size of that thing. And it's heavy. It's like metal. It's not even plastic. So this next thing I wasn't really super excited about, to be honest with you, because I don't really use loose pigments at all, but this is a really good value. This is from Naked Cosmetics. This is the 4-piece pigment set, and it's valued at $40, so $10 a piece. They're just so messy. It says Naked Cosmetics products are made without fillers like oils, wax, or talc or talc that can be damaging to your skin. These highly pigmented, finely milled, loose pigments blend so easily. Mix and match them to create endless eye looks. These are the shades, which, you know, it makes me want to kind of keep it because they're very neutral looking. They're not like so crazy. You can actually use these pigments as a highlighter or mix it with your favorite lip glosses and nail polishes to make them shimmery. So that's pretty interesting that you have so many different uses. So you don't technically have to use it as an eyeshadow. I'm gonna attempt to open one up. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. There's no sifter, and that's why it's getting all over my hands, because it's coming out of the sides. There's nothing protecting it from, it's just like in a little pot. That's it. It's just in this little pot, and that's it. I wouldn't travel with these, that's for sure. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, because all I did was show you, and look, it's all over my hands, like really annoying. Next product, I was super excited that I was getting this. This is the Pixi by Petra Glow Mist, and it's valued at $15. It says, step up your summer glow with this lightweight mist. It's formulated with 13 natural essential oils like rose flower and lavender, aloe vera, and fruit extracts to set your makeup, hydrate, protect, and give your skin a gorgeous dewy finish. So I absolutely love Pixi. I actually tried their glow tonic in little samples a bunch of times from Ipsy, and they just had in the Ipsy shopper, they have like daily deals. So you know, I love when they do that because everything is highly discounted. And I saw that they had the Pixi glow tonic, the large size, that's usually $30, plus the peel pads, which is usually $22. So separately you buy those, it's pricey, but they had it on the Ipsy shopper for 18 bucks for both. And then because I'm an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus member, I got $5 off. So I ended up getting the glow tonic and then the peel pads for 14 bucks. So anyway, back to this. There is these little oil pockets here. I'm a little nervous to try this only because of the oils, but you have to really shake it up to blend it all in. It's kind of like the Glow Recipe mist. I love using a face mist. This is the nozzle here. The only setting mist I use to like set my makeup is the Urban Decay All Nighter or the D-Slick. That's the only one I will use to actually set my makeup. But after the day is over, I take my makeup off. I always love to use a mist on my face, and I'll do it throughout the day. Love mists. So I will absolutely use this. The last but not least, I was really hoping for the watermelon one. I have a little sample of the Purlisse watermelon moisturizer, and I know that they were offering in this box either that watermelon moisturizer or this one that I received, which is the matcha green tea antioxidant priming moisturizer. It's valued at $45, so that's good because it's pricey. But I have the little sample of the watermelon one, and I wanted the full size so bad. It's kind of like the Glow Recipe one, but just a little different. It says that this is like a primer, but I'm not really going to use this as that. I'm going to use this more as like a moisturizer. It says that this is a lightweight oil-free water cream that instantly moisturizes and primes skin for makeup. Green tea delivers antioxidants essential to skin health to protect from signs of aging. White tea and vitamin E soothe sensitivity, while French marine plants retain hydration for perfectly primed skin. I like that it's a water cream. It's lightweight. It's perfect for oily skin combinations. That is everything in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Again, this is a $169 value. I really love the variety of products I received. You know, I got a face palette instead of an eye palette. But I did get these loose eyeshadow pigments. I got a mascara. I got this face mist and a moisturizer or a primer, whatever you want to use it as. And then, of course, you know, my little add-on here. So I love the variety. I could do without these loose pigments. I mean, everything else I'm loving. I can't wait to try it all because I haven't tried any of these, to be honest. Actually, yeah, I haven't tried. These are all new to me. So I do love that as well, that these are all new to me, except these little loose pigments. I could do without. Either way, I'm loving what's in here. Between my little Ipsy Glam Bag and then the Glam Bag Plus, I'm pretty happy overall for July. I think that they were both great. I love that I received things in both the bag and the box that I have not tried before, that I've not received before, that they were completely different. I'm excited to try these products, but I can't wait to see what next month brings. Keep a lookout for all of my upcoming unboxings, and I'm gonna do my little beauty tour, my beauty product tour, where I keep all my products and what I received from subscription boxes. So I am gonna do that. If you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you received, if you received this. And again, I'll have the link down below if you are interested in signing up. But until next time, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.